best way to get evolution shards for free to play players. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do that. So first way is opening up the King's Journey, and over here on the 51st level onwards you are going to get the evolution shards, and here you can see that the pink ones are for the evolution shards. So as soon as you achieve these levels you would be able to get the evolution shard. The other way is getting the pass, and the free players are also getting around 2 to 3 wild cards per season, and if you are going to purchase the royal card then you are surely going to unlock the baby dragon for this season, and it is different for every other season out there. You can also purchase individual shards, but for the free ones you can only go with the King's Journey or get the shards using the free pass journey, and these are the only ways. And you can also go with the other rewards of the clans. You might end up getting lucky and get the cards, and these are some ways that you can utilize to get the wild shards or the evolution shards. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.